Every once in a while, I'll finish a painting and think to myself, I might be the next Bob Ross. This is one of those. So far, just using some scrap paper and crayon, and that yellow is just acrylics. And when you use acrylics without white, you can start to see layers underneath. So these lemons are kind of a big shape. They're kind of boring, but when you do it this way, it adds a certain visual dynamic that's hard to achieve with just plain white paper. I did use a little bit of glue to put those lemons on a piece of 140-pound cold pressed paper. And now I'm starting to just bring a little bit of calmness to the background. I don't want the lemons to get lost against all of the chaos that was on the paper. And this is the kind of tricky part about my style. And in short, you just have to know when to stop, and I blew it. So as I was painting these lemon wedges, I was trying to make them blend in with the lemons, but it just didn't work. Sometimes you reach that point and you got to get rid of it. And that's the beauty of mixed media and collage. You can just wipe it off and then you have a fresh start. And by fresh start, I mean just reaching in the drawer and grabbing a new piece of collage paper, an old drawing or whatever this is. And I went against the lemon wedges. I thought, hey, let's just mix it up with some color. And I chose some strawberries. Another one of those quick decisions. I started to glue this piece, but I really liked the back of what I was seeing. And I thought it was just better than what was on the front that I originally had painted. I just liked the white space of it. I liked the scribbles and just figured, I think that would be more interesting than what I had before. So again, using glue and putting that right down on the watercolor paper. This is another moment where, the painting was just getting the best of me. I was trying to tie things in. The strawberry on the right just didn't feel as free and easy as the other two. So if you can't beat them, join them, right? I grabbed another piece of collage paper, a brand new start. That's the beauty of collage. We can just keep on doing this. And sometimes I do until I feel like I've got something that is right. And I wanted this to feel a little different. So I've got two strawberries on one piece of collage paper, cohesive. And then I've got a third one, a little bit bigger, on a little bit different type of collage paper, different markings, and so on. And now tying in the yellow with the yellow lemons, and we're getting close to seeing how this piece works as a whole. Well, that's it. Was I overreacting? Is it so-so, mid, or do you think it really pops? I think the simplicity of this piece is really what is so interesting. You don't need strong technical drawing skills or anything. It's really about the process, letting yourself work intuitively and using those collage papers, those handmade drawings and stuff. I mean, that really brings that level of authenticity to the work. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more, check me out on the Deconstruction Lab on Patreon. Also, I have many foundational courses on Gumroad. Those links are in the description. Follow for more.